In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an icon in Divi Builder. If you want to make a section of your page more visual or help highlight important content, adding an icon is a simple and effective way to do it. In Divi Builder, this process is straightforward once you know where to look, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To get started, go to Divi Builder and open the page or layout where you want to make your edit. Once you're inside the builder, take a moment to find the specific section where you want the icon to appear. This is important because Divi lets you place elements in different parts of your layout. So choosing the correct section first helps keep your design organized. After you've located the right section, click on it to select it. This tells Divi that this is the area you want to edit. Once the section is active, move your attention to the panel on the right-hand side. This side panel is where you'll find the controls for adding and managing content inside that section. In the right-hand panel, click on Elements. This will show you the available content items that can be inserted into the selected section. From there, click on Add Element. This opens the list of elements you can place into your layout. Now look for the icon option and click on it. This is the element you'll use to insert an icon into the selected section. After choosing it, you'll see icon choices available on the right-hand side. This is where Divi gives you a visual library of icons to pick from, making it easy to find something that matches the style or purpose of your page. Browse through the available icons and select the one you want. When you find the right option, click on that icon to add it. At this point, the icon will be inserted into your chosen section. As a quick tip, before choosing your icon, think about the message you want that symbol to communicate. For example, a checkmark can suggest confirmation, a star can highlight something important, and a phone or message symbol can draw attention to contact information. Picking the right icon helps improve both the design and the user experience. And that's all it takes to add an icon in Divi Builder. Once you know where the Elements panel and Add Element option are located, the process becomes very fast and easy to repeat anywhere in your layout.